Hadiin baka sarkar kelapan bihang ya kecing tho badai jingmod halok 6 schedule amendment bill mitirong ba kajala konrad ke sangma ulalum ya kejelang bagi chief executive member na baro lai tili ki autonomous district council kajala habakren sakilat thai kabor hadin kejelang haka arhodrek unelar arajar arpoi mitirong ba ulong bagi jita ki long halor popon kimat manpenbe ka 6 schedule kum kaman unrepresented trai karukam penlong election bat kajing penbun ikit khat haki council Ulong baka jilang bakado kande ya ka fantrik unalar arajar poi haswa ban IT kijingto pat kijing ajumot shaka sarkar India.
So basically we had a meeting with the district council CEMs of all the 3 district councils, and the discussion was on the amendment bill and the different suggestions that were given by the parliamentary committee, and based on that the government of India has again asked us to give in our comments and our suggestions on that. So in order to give those comments and suggestions once again, we have called the meeting of all the district councils so that their viewpoints can also be included. So in the whole process, a number of suggestions were given. We have gone through all the details, whether it is to do with the issues of mentioned in the for the unrepresentative tribe in the nomination, whether the number of seats that were mentioned out there, whether the different elections that have to be held at different levels. So all these factors and all these issues were discussed in large detail, and based on that, once again, all the CEMs have been asked to give in their suggestions, recommendations within the next 1 week, and we'll be having a final meeting on the 25th evening to crystallize on the recommendations from our side, and that will be then submitted to the government of India. So therefore, as I said, almost 95% of the recommendations, suggestions given, including the 10th schedule, application of anti-defection law, including that has been accepted, including the suggestions that we should have the finance commission funding. So all the major decisions have been included. So those we are very happy and thankful that they have been included. And there are certain concerns that are there which we are ironing out, and that's the reason why again and again we are doing consultation, and we are hopeful that we will be able to come to a consensus and will be able to take this amendment forward.
How many days the government has given time to the district council?
So 1 week we'll be meeting next week.
So report